Hi guys, we're off to a dinner ulit with friends. Shangri-La lang naman. Secret recipe, yung pangalan ng resto. Hi guys, morning. Sunday today and it's already 1:53 p.m. I'm currently here in Megamall sa parking. Looking for a parking. And today yung errands ko is magpa-check up ako ng shoulder ko. Kasi after my last climb, nagkaroon ako ng incident, nahulog ako. Ayun, may umalis na parking. Wait lang guys, babalik ako. So, ayun guys. As I was saying, magpapa-check up ako ng shoulder kasi nagkaroon ako ng incident last December. Huling climb ko, nahulog ako tapos na-affect yung shoulder ko. Then every now and then sumasakit-sakit siya. Tapos even magbuhat ako ng mabigat sa gym, parang hindi ko kaya kasi sumasakit. So I decided na ipa-check up na siya today kasi baka hopefully hindi naman siya ganun ka-serious, no? Kasi nung una namaga talaga siya. Then eventually nag-lay low naman yung sakit. Pero medyo sumasakit ng konti pa rin. Then magpa-haircut din ako today. Tapos ano pa ba? Grocery. Meron ba kayong inasal na 2-piece chicken?
Wala, sir.
Merong a la carte na chicken.
Ito po siya. Pero wala siya kasama, guys.
Sige, isa na nga lang. Isang pecho with rice na lang.
Plain pa garlic.
Garlic rice. Yun lang po.
Isang peso, isang garlic.
This is our lunch for today. Late lunch. Extra garlic. Hi guys, we're looking for a restaurant here in Thank you.
Thank you po.
truffle fries and tacos, burrito. This is the burrito guys, here at Tittos. Guys, ang sarap ng tacos. Let's try the burrito. Up. Hi guys, they're gone in 10 minutes. Guys, ito pala yung stores. Tittos, Latin Barbecue. And this. Tittos. Going to Bhive Circuit, Makati for wall climbing. And guys, habang nasa stoplight, I'm going to Bhive today for wall climbing. And actually, this is my first time going to Bhive. Since before, yung pinupuntahan namin is dito lang sa Greenfield. And Bhive is in Circuit Makati. Tapos, ayun, 1 month akong walang wall climbing kasi nagkaroon ako ng incident with my left shoulder nung nahulog ako sa CCM, sa Climb Central dito sa Greenfield. Then ngayon, sabi naman ng ortho ko, pwede naman ako daw mag-climb ulit. And it will heal on his own. Pero ngayon sumasakit-sakit pa rin siya. Pero hindi na siya ganun ka-severe unlike before. So, ayun lang. That's the light. Yok.
Video. Dalawa dapat yung video mo.
Mga pros. Try my first green. Try. Blooper agad. Wala.
Kaya may ganyan.
Lock lang.
Alak.
Hi!
Hello!
Rodney.
Hi!
My friend.
Hi, YouTube!
Yee! Sarap!
Galing.
Paano yun? Pagkagasa na ako.
Grabe. Uy. Sheesh. Ale.
Nice, Aldi.
Tama. Yeah. Let's try that. Hi guys, this is Bhive. Balikin natin yung ulit. Okay guys, I quit. Next time. Going to Old Town. Hello guys, just got back here in the condo sa parking. And ayun, kakatapos lang natin mag-Bhive. And so far, nag-enjoy ulit tayo sa Bhive. Tapos, ayun pala guys, unfortunately, hindi ko natapos yung isang challenge na gusto ko tapusin, yung red one, kasi nagkaroon tayo ng blaster. Sa Bhive pala, ano siya, you have to rent din your own shoes if wala ka pang shoes. The rent is 150 pesos. Then yung actual gym pass is 600. So total of binayadan natin is 750 pesos. And for a day unlimited pass, so far okay naman siya. And ayun, nag-enjoy tayo. After that, we went to Old Town Coffee. We ate there for lunch. Ito yung mga pictures na ipakita ko. And of course, the white coffee nila. Sobrang sarap pa rin. Ayun, then ngayon, wala akong errands this Saturday. Pero most probably, I'll edit na lang siguro some vlogs. We had fun with the group. Hindi ko pa rin napakita sa inyo yung group kasi hindi ako nag-vlog during the lunch. Pero we had fun.